Hey guys, we're just going to go ahead and review. Let's review this chapter 9. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at the buttons. And here are our buttons and their shapes. I want you to go ahead and draw an X on all the buttons that are the same shape, okay? Um, let's start with our circles. Let's do circles. Draw X on all the circles. All right. Then I want you to go ahead and I want you to put a line through all of the squares. Okay. And then we're going to circle all the triangles. Okay. So that way we just grouped them together by shape. We're kind of ignoring that thing at the bottom. All right, next I want you guys to go ahead and look at the blocks. Over here on this table, we have some blocks, and they want you to sort the blocks by size, okay? So circle the blocks that are bigger. So we have a big square here and a big square here. And then we have a big rectangle and a big rectangle here. All right, so those would be the bigger ones. These here, your smaller blocks, we're just going to leave uncovered, okay? And let's go ahead and turn the page. All right, so let's get down to business on number 1. Number 1, it wants you to circle the objects that are alike. So looking at these flowers, let's first talk about what makes them alike. Well, they're all red and green. Now I want you to look at them and tell me what makes them different. Point out the different flower. This flower here is different than the rest because it's not the same shape or type of flower. So we need to circle all of the ones that are the same. And then I just want you to go ahead and put an X on the ones that's not. And he doesn't fit in there. All right, number 2, I want you to sort the shapes, color all the triangles blue. Okay, so get out your blue, and I want you to go ahead and find all the triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Found 4 triangles. Okay, now I want you to color all of the squares red. So find red. And we need to color all the squares red. I got a square here, square here, square, square. All right. Then I need to go ahead and find all of the circles and color them green. All right, so we have green circles, red squares, blue triangles, and we are done with that. Sort the cans by size. So looking at these cans, I want you to go ahead and draw an X on the larger cans. Which ones are larger? This one, and this one. These other cans are smaller. Turn the page. All right, so let's go ahead and look and see what we got going on here. It says some problem solving. I want you to go ahead and look at all the objects and sort the objects by size. Draw lines from the object, the recycle bin, to show how you sort it. Okay, so we have a large recycle bin and we have a small recycle bin. So let's start with the small and go find all of the smaller objects that would go in the small recycle bin. Well, I have 1, 2, 3, and 4 there. And then I have my larger one, and I'm just gonna change my color real quick. And I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. So you should have 4 small objects and 4 large objects in your recycle bin. All right, and we're gonna turn the page. Here we are actually just gonna put a big fat X because we don't have any things to work with in our class, and we are done with our review. Again, I'll have some shape videos up for you to look at.